This is to help raise awareness and to be careful for those dental offices that are posting on billboards or ads or brochures about their $99 teeth cleaning appointments. I've seen some ads where it's even $50 for a teeth cleaning appointment, or book a teeth cleaning appointment and get free teeth whitening, or book a teeth cleaning appointment for $99 plus x rays. Beware of those ads because by the time you walk out of that office, it's not going to be just $99. I've called these offices myself. I've even worked in these offices myself in the past where they've had promotions like this. The point of these promotions is to bring patients in, which isn't a bad thing. I will always pride anybody who wants to come into the dental office to book their teeth cleaning. I've seen patients who haven't had their teeth cleaning ever. I've seen patients who haven't been in for 10 years, but they're like, you know what? Today's the day I want my teeth cleaned. So I love that. But we need to be making patients more aware of these promotions, what they actually mean, and how much they're going to pay for their teeth cleaning. So, how it works is it's mainly for those patients who don't have insurance. Go ahead, call the offices now and mention you have dental insurance. They will likely tell you right away this promotion is only for those without insurance. How is that fair? It's really not fair. Why do they do this? They do this because patients who have dental insurance, they don't typically ask about the fine print of what things are going to cost. They're just happy that they're covered, whether it be 50%, 80%, or 100%. They're just happy that they're covered. And let's say they're covered 80%, they would only owe the difference not covered at the time of their appointment. So it could be $10, it could be $30, but they don't care about that price as long as it's not a $400 difference at the end. But those who don't have insurance are very particular, of course, of how much things cost because they're going to be paying out of pocket. So they want to bring in those patients who don't have insurance by promising them a $99 teeth cleaning. But what ends up happening is when that patient sits in the chair, they're going to let you know, okay, you have more plaque and calculus than the average person, which could be true, but it's not going to be $99. We'll do as much as I can in $99 today for you, but you're going to have to come back for other appointments to finish the teeth cleaning. And lo and behold, what happens is they will also say, oh, plus you need x rays because you haven't had them in 2 years. So we're going to do x rays as well, which could be $60 or $80 per x ray, depending on which one you're getting. And typically, they're going to tell you you need these x-rays before we can even do the teeth cleaning because we need to see exactly what's going on. But don't worry, the teeth cleaning is still $99. You're just paying an extra $60 for the x-rays, or even $30 if it's just one x-ray. So you say, yeah, okay, fine. That's not what I was expecting, but if that's what you need for me to get my $99 teeth cleaning, great. But then that's when they also tell you, oh, from the x rays, you have six cavities. You need two crowns. You need this, that, and that. It's going to be $3,000, but you still get that teeth cleaning for $99. Don't worry. But we're going to book you in for other appointments to talk about that crown, to talk about that bridge. Let's talk about payment plans. So none of this is wrong per se, because you might need all of those things, but you can imagine the poor patient who's sitting there like, oh my God, I just came in for a $99 teeth cleaning, and now you're making me feel like my teeth are horrible and I need $3,000 of work done. Okay, well, I can't afford that. I'm just here for the teeth cleaning. Okay, you're telling me it's going to take two other appointments because my teeth are so bad. I'm okay with that because I'd rather spend another $400 if they want to spend that, but I don't want to spend $3,000 to get the crown, the bridge, the other stuff. So we'll just do the $400. So, okay, if they're happy with that, all right. But it gives the patient such a bad experience. They are made to feel like dental offices are just in it for the money. And there are dental offices out there where I feel like they are. I've worked for certain dentists who are like that. We're never doing anything you don't need. If we suggest a crown or a bridge or taking a tooth out, or if we say you have a cavity, you do, but a lot of these things can wait. That's the secret sauce is a lot of these things can wait. You might not need five crowns, maybe one crown if the tooth starts to cause you pain, or if the cavity is really bad and you want to prevent it from cracking, okay, the one crown, but you don't need 18 crowns or something like that. So Beware of those promotions. It's no different than if you see a promotion for free teeth whitening for every new patient. They get you in, they charge as much as they can. Sure, they give you teeth whitening, but it might only be a 20-minute teeth whitening. You're not going to see much of a difference anyway. Or you're lucky and you do see a big difference, but guess what? That cleaning costs you $800 because your teeth are so bad, you need to do the teeth cleaning before the whitening. So you get free whitening, great. That's maybe $250. But now you're paying $800 for a teeth cleaning that you weren't expecting. So you see how all of this works. So when you're booking your teeth cleaning appointment, whether you're a patient watching this or a dental professional, I'll talk about it as if you were a patient first. Ask them questions. Call the dental office. Ask them exactly how much they're going to charge you. Ask them, are you doing the full teeth cleaning for $99 or am I going to have to come back? And they will tell you, well, it depends on your teeth. And nobody's teeth, nobody would only have a $99 teeth cleaning. Maybe a teenager if they brush and floss really, really well and there's not much to clean. Teeth cleaning is hard work, okay? It really is. We are preventing disease. We are taking away plaque and calculus. It's not as easy as it sounds, right? So call the office though and really make sure that they're transparent with you of how much things cost. And I always tell people, be careful with offices that give you one price if you have insurance and another price if you do not, because that tells me they're going to maximize that insurance and maybe even push things on you that you don't necessarily need right away, but it's covered by insurance. So they want to make the money as quickly as possible. I hate to say it, but that does happen. Now, if you're a dental professional watching this, isn't it frustrating when patients might come to you and say, oh, well, that office down the street is doing teeth cleaning for $99. You're charging me $400. I'm just going to go to that office. And you basically say, okay, your teeth need more than $99 worth of teeth cleaning. I'm going to be here for a couple hours just making sure to get things perfectly clean. And I'm going to clean underneath the gum line that you can't see, not just the stain that you can see and leave everything else behind, which causes you more gum disease and actually can make things worse. So, isn't it frustrating for dental professionals as well? I'm always transparent with my patients, even new patients that might be asking me questions. They might be asking me how much I charge for a teeth cleaning. I'm as transparent as possible. And I tell them, this is my average price. I might not know how much yours is going to be because I haven't seen you. There are people who get their teeth cleaned every 6 months and people who go every 2 years. Those that go more often, it's going to be less expensive than those who get their teeth cleaned every 2 years because I have to do more work. It's kind of like if you're cleaning your house or hiring a cleaner to clean your house. The more they have to clean, the more they're going to charge. So be as transparent as possible with your patients because I can see how things could be very confusing. So let me know if any questions. Please click like if you like this video and thank you for watching.